Welcome back to Ghoster Coasters, everybody, and tonight we're going to discuss the latest Top Thrill 2 infield movements and whatnot, and, well, another third-party company is on site, but hold your horses, everyone. We'll get into that in just a bit. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the spooky community today. You could also go check out the Top Thrill 2 documentary on our channel called Race for the Sky. A huge shout out goes out to all of our Coaster Ghosting producers and members of the channel for helping bring all of this content together. You guys are the best Coaster Ghosting community out there. Let's get into the latest Top Thrill 2 news though.
Being closed since May 11th, getting confirmation on May 12th from Tony Clark in Cedar Point, and another update on June 4th that pretty much stated the ride will continue to undergo modifications until the manufacturer gets the solution down. American Testing Services has been in and out of the infield for quite a few weeks on June 7th, Coaster Mania time, and June 16th. But now we have an additional wrench thrown in the mix. Adena is on site. So who is Adena and what do they do and why is this important for the park? Or what could this even mean?
Adena is known for building rides, notably at Cedar Point. They've built Maverick along with rides like Valraven and Gatekeeper, and also Lightning Run at Kentucky Kingdom and so forth. Located in Mansfield, Ohio, with other offices as well in Columbus, Ohio, and Lakeland, Florida. Adena is known for their expertise in the field of managing projects of all sizes and scopes from pre-construction through the construction phase and closeout, and their diverse portfolio of work includes projects in a variety of industries. From their website, they also say our special projects group offers alterations, maintenance repair, tenant fit-outs, and construction of standalone facilities and many other things. Based on our ability to self-perform on larger projects, we are able to monitor quality, cost, and scheduling so we can provide a finished project on time and within budget. So, could the Special Projects Group be on site for something? It's not really for us to speculate as we don't know any reasons for certain right now, but it is interesting.
Adena is also the company who built the Spike. So this leads us to one of many questions, and we'll start here. If Top Thrill 2 is having issues with the train, then with Adena Rides offering general contracting services, could one assume that the maintenance team at Cedar Point may have to focus on the entire park, and Cedar Point hired them for labor on the trains?
Or the other side of that is, what's going on with the ride that the company who built the project is now on site? It's more likely that they are doing labor with the train since they definitely could complete that scope of work, being that they offer a number of services from start to finish of projects. Around 7 p.m. on June 25th, an Adena worker or workers were spotted outside the infield at Top Thrill 2, and a lot of guests were wondering why. Now, another user on X, and let us be very clear with this, it's an absolute grain of salt thing here. Cedar Point is the only official source of information regarding Top Thrill 2, so do not take anything as facts here. The user says that Top Thrill 2 is experiencing an issue with the bogies or the assemblies, and that the testing going on was to see certain areas of the train and why they were experiencing the issues, which I think we kind of assumed by this point, but more little tidbits. The interesting part is they said the temporary fix, a welded piece of the aluminum to the carrier, may not pass ODA inspections due to the welding and previous incident with the original ride. This is all hearsay, so again, do not take this as facts, but it's starting to creep a little longer now, so we kind of have to start wondering, right guys?
Why do you think Adena is now on site in addition to American Testing Services over the past month and Zamperla employees along with Cedar Point's team pushing to get Top Thrill 2 fixed and reopened? We know some people are frustrated with the closure, but everyone listen. When they figure it out, we'll all be able to enjoy it. And for the better, we'll all have a super safe ride to get on when all is said and done. The ride was safe and caught well before anything happened, so let's make that part very clear as well. We can't wait to see Top Thrill 2 running again, and we're starting to lean more towards an August reopening of the ride, with July 4th coming soon and seemingly not opening the ride before then. Like we said in our last video, we believe a good amount of testing needs to be done, and we see the ramp up in numerous cycles over the course of a day or two and kind of have an idea of what was coming. Until then, we anticipate the next race for the sky.
Let us know down below what's going through your minds with this. It seems to get more and more confusing as the days go on. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the spooky community today. You could also go check out the Top Thrill 2 documentary on our channel, like we said, Race for the Sky. Thank you to all of our channel members, Coaster Ghost and producers, you guys viewing this if you're new or coming back and returning, and all of our friends out there. You guys all make the Ghoster Coasting community the absolute best out there.
As always, thank you for being a part of our spooky community
and for Coaster Ghosting with Ghoster Coasters. Have a Six Flags Day, everybody.
And America's rocking Coaster Ghosting Coast.